Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. Here we are again this week on Sunday. We are going to do the recap, not recap. We are going to start mapping for what's going to happen in the following week. First and foremost, this is our disclaimer. We're not giving any financial advice. Please do your own research. Okay, please exercise your own risk. And now we're going to head on to the charts. Okay, the first I would like to talk about SPY. Okay, SPY, we visited this last week, and this is what we expected. They have a first line of defense, which is the orange rectangle box at 750, and the second line of defense, which is at 730. So there were two scenarios. We were expecting probable bounce from 750. Unfortunately, it went up. It broke down 750, and it's looking to test the last, for us, is the last line of defense at 730. Okay, so this is crucial. If 730 holds, then I expect SPY to go up and at least test 750, but ultimately reach all-time highs at 760 and to test and see what happens then. If 730 doesn't hold, then we got to look at the stock day by day, but then we are neutral to bearish on SPY moving forward. So SPY is pretty straightforward, okay? This one has failed, broken down, no retest, straight to the bottom at 730. So this coming week is crucial for SPY. So we shall see. Next, we've got QQQ. Let us look at QQQ. QQQ is similar, all right? QQQ is similar. We have the support at this area at 700, okay? So QQQ is such where it already extended, okay? It's similar like SPY. It made a sharp pullback. Then after that, you had a slow climb up and a corrective move towards the upside. Then we have a corrective move, ABC pattern to the downside, and then it had a very parabolic move, impulse to the upside. So it's looking to test 700. 700 is like a big psychological number. So we are expecting at least some sort of bounce, okay? There is one scenario, a bounce to go up to test probably like 750, the all-time high, or the other one scenario would be a break below 700, maybe for retest and to start dropping, and you will find the next support at this area, which is about 730 to 736, sorry, 630 to 635, which there are two solid resistance here that will become support. So this will be the expectation for SPY. So again, same like, for QQQ. Same again like SPY. For QQQ, we got a monitor this week. Not looking too great for QQQ, but we shall see, because this free fall of a drop, it's very impulsive. So there's also another chance that if it doesn't go up, if it stalls, then the other scenario would be like this. It will make a slow pullback to the upside, like a bearish flag, before breaking towards the downside. This is another scenario. So basically three scenarios, but maybe we can look at it in an easy terms, whereby it's either it's going to break or either it's going to bounce. So either one of these two. Okay, but QQQ, we are more bearish on the outlook for now, neutral to bearish. But we got to see how it reacts at 700. All right, next we have Tesla. I think many people follow Tesla. Okay, Tesla, we have gone through this talk a couple of times. So on the weekly time frame, on the bigger picture, we have a cup and a handle, a bearish channel that has been broken out of the bearish channel, and now it's coming back, okay, with a very bearish candle over the week. So we shall see if this area holds up or not. Let me remove the handle picture, okay? So we got to see if this area holds up. Yeah. We have this zone about 390, which is actually right now. Okay, let me go on the daily chart. Maybe I can see a bit more clearer. I would look, okay, example would be around here, about 380 to 390. I think this will be a critical area for Tesla. If this area holds, I would expect Tesla to start heading back up. Okay, if this area breaks and if it goes below this point here, 363. I'll mark this as a red dotted line. And then there's a chance that Tesla might start to make a move towards the downside. Okay, so many stocks are critical in the next 1 or 2 weeks. So guys, for those of you who are trading options or US stocks, pay attention to this week, okay? And exercise a bit of caution. You don't want to be too aggressive. You gotta let the price turn before we were to I would say, example, if you want to pick up on the stock, but if it's really bearish right now, then we wait. We wait until it's a sign where market is reversing, and then we get in after that. So do not rush, be patient. All right. So this is a very strong zone for Tesla. I'm expecting the price to go up. Okay. I'm expecting the price to bounce this coming week. This area is a strong area. So that is for Tesla. Next, okay, before we go to the next stock, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. As you can see, please join our free Discord. Join us on Discord. It's free. All right. We have the premium channel as well. But this free Discord, we offer a lot of value and a lot of information as well. So this is our website. Have a look at it. You can also log in. You can just create an account. Automatically, you can do it with a Google account, like how I did it. And now we are slowly improving the features on our website. Some of the features would involve the S&P 500. All these are live data that's constantly being updated. We have a watch list. You can add your own watch list. Example, watch list for Apple, Microsoft. You have all the different categories. Example, now I want to follow. Do you have Tesla here? No. Okay, example, Tesla. TSLA. Tesla. Okay, then you click add. Then it immediately goes into, okay, Tesla is categorized under tech giants. It's here. All right. You can also add alert. So example, for Tesla just now, where was the critical area? 380 to 390. So let's say we want to know if it drops below 380, and we can just go to Tesla, go to the alert, and minimum, example, less than 380. You set an alert. And if it goes above, let's say this high, 450, you set alert, give it a allow, and it will alert us. Okay. We are constantly upgrading the website. So this is our VIP trading desk. If you want to have a one-on-one coaching session, you want to know more about how we come up with our strategies, how to make it work a bit better to your favor, upgrade please your VIP members. It's only $49.90 a month. You can get it back with one trade. A wheel calculator, it's coming soon in the future. I will explain when the time comes. So our next stock we would like to have a look at is Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin, as expected, there was a high chance that Bitcoin will come back and sweep the liquidity below this whole entire range. So the bottom of Bitcoin, this is a very, very, very important level. Okay, this is practically like my invalidation point to some sort. If it stays above 49, let's say if it stays above 50,000, I would expect Bitcoin to slowly climb and make test all-time high. Okay, but if it goes below 50,000 at this point, 49,741 around that area, to be exact, 49,577. Okay, 49,577. Okay, so that is the most important point for our analysis on using the harmonic elliott wave for Bitcoin. So far, it's above. I expect it to come below all this. Let me remove this rectangle. The lowest low is here. This is like the third wave. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a move below, sweep the liquidity, and slowly make a way up towards the upside. This would be my expectation for Bitcoin. All right. So again, we got to see in this coming 1 or 2 weeks, very crucial week. Next, we would like to have a look at Ethereum. Yeah, once we look at the brother, you have to look at the sister too, right? So Ethereum is a bit different. It's not as bullish as Bitcoin. I've always mentioned this. It's got a 5-wave structure to the upside. So this is basically wave 1, and this is a massive correction for wave 2. So it's at the bottom of the channel, which gives us a discounted price on Ethereum right now. This is an important area for Ethereum, about 1,005 to 1,006. If this area holds, we are looking for Ethereum to bounce and head toward and test towards the upper channel. Okay, because it's in a massive triangle channel right now. So again, If it goes below this point right here, let me be exact with the values. 1383.26. Okay. 1383.26. All right. I'm expecting the price not to trade below. If it does trade below, then we got to be passive, a bit more passive on this stock. But as long as it's above right now and towards this channel, so we are looking for the bulls to come in and start to pick up Ethereum right now because it's deemed cheap, technically. So we shall see in the next coming week. Next, we have IREN. I just put this in our Discord group. So IREN basically is still within the channel. It broke the first line of support, okay, first line of defense. We expected the price to bounce from here. Unfortunately, it broke down. The ending of the week was quite terrible for the US stocks. So it's at the bottom of the channel. We are expecting IREN to head towards the upside. This is our expectation. Okay. If it breaks towards the downside, for example, then I am guessing IREN is going to start to range. So we got to be careful on this. Okay. So if you are into IREN, this is a very critical area. We're expecting the price to bounce. If it breaks below, then we got to slow down for all the cash secure puts that we have taken or we are about to take. Okay. So that's IREN. Last one would be AMD. AMD. Okay, AMD has just been on a run. Okay, on a run, literally on a run. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ABC. So wave 3 has extended C of 3. Okay, so 1, 2, ABC of 3. Expected ABC correction before we can even get in on this stock. So this is what we expected. We did the analysis last week or the last 2 weeks. So we're expecting a correction for AMD before it starts to go back up again. So for AMD, we're just going to sit out on this one and we're going to take it one day at a time for AMD. So by the way, guys, this is our Discord channel. This is a community chat where we have about almost close to 100 members now and it's slowly growing. We're expecting at least 1,000 members in the next 2 or 3 months. So most of it, we are posting all our mappings for hymns based on the demand for the users. So have a look, join our Discord. It's free for now. This is the free channel. We have the VIP channel as well, where we will give you more value. Okay, we give you more value and more personalized information over there. So yeah, guys. So let's look forward to this coming week. I'm expecting a bullish week, hopefully, fingers crossed. But for Trade for Freedom, using the wheel strategy is ultimately a bullish strategy. But regardless whether it's a bearish or a bullish market, we'll find a way to profit from there. If it's bullish, we make on the cash secure puts. If it's bearish, we can capitalize on the cover calls, So the most important thing is stock selection. If you pick up a stock with good fundamentals, good financials, and ultimately good technicals, where you enter at the right price, then you're always on the safe side. Okay, so thank you once again. Hope you can pick up some of the things that we've just shared with you. So look forward to seeing you in our Discord channel, and please subscribe to us on YouTube, on X, or log in, create an account on our website, join our free channel here at Discord, and if you're happy with what you get, upgrade yourself to a VIP membership, and we will provide even more value to you guys. Thank you, and bye-bye.